golden, crispy, spongy on the inside, and perfectly sweet. This is Jamaican Festival, and today, friends, I'm about to show you how to make it. Check out my jerk chicken recipe. No grill jerk chicken recipe. Pair well with festival. A big shout out to Charnette, inspired by her. Here are your ingredients. Okay guys, so we're gonna combine our ingredients. Let's pour my water in. I'm gonna add my vanilla. Now friends, I need you to picture something with me. You have seen festival dumplings that came out pale, dense, almost doughy on the inside and greasy. That this is not. The mistake most people make happens before the oil is even hot. But look at this. Golden crispy on the outside, and wait until you see what's on the inside. We're gonna break it off in little sizes. Roll them just like so. You can put a little press in it if you want, or you could just leave it like that. Some people make it long, make it a little longer, just like that. Come to this far in the video, why not give it a like? Hit that like button. Continue watching. Okay guys, so our festival is finished. Let me give it a taste. It's nice and soft. You can look right, feel it. Look at how spongy and crispy at the same time. The dough is just bouncing back. Not loaded with grease. Listen to that crunch. Baby, the flavor does not lie. This is good. Perfect with jerk chicken. The no grill jerk chicken. You can do all this indoors. Your festival, your jerk chicken. You can even have it with fried fish. Do give it a try. Thank you for watching. And always remember to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I catch you in my upcoming videos. Yeah, man.